Small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, play a critical role in the development of any nation. With this in mind, the Kenyan government undertook to train entrepreneurs in the export trading. The first-year program had training on Kenyan export trade and on-site consulting.
The role of SMEs, the latest National Economic Survey and what it is saying about SMEs, they have a very good contribution on the national economy, 3%. And in 2011 alone, that was last year, SMEs contributed most of the employment opportunities, in the country. Of the 500,000 jobs, SMEs provided 440,000. So SMEs are very important in national development. But at the same time, the National Economic Survey indicated that in the same year of 2011, there was very little mention by the government on supporting SMEs, despite their importance in the national economy. More than 90% of all businesses at the moment in Kenya are small and medium enterprises. So that means that SMEs occupy a very important position in the country, and they create up to 30% of total employment in Kenya at the moment. That is, those are statistics from the National Economic Survey. We also have 2 million registered SMEs, and out of these, 300,000 are classified as manufacturing and in the productive sectors of the economy. SMEs have been facing so many challenges. Some of them include poor infrastructure from where they work. This one, you have seen it yourselves. For those who have visited Kariobangi, the conditions that SMEs face. No roads, no sewage system, energy is missing and so on, things like that, poor security and so on. SMEs themselves are a problem to themselves. That's another challenge. If you look at the management, there is very poor management style. For those consultants who have been going for on-site consulting, you have seen that the managers do almost everything. They are the directors, they are the accountants, and they are everything. And that's what we are trying to change. SMEs use very low technology in their production, processes in this country. And we are hoping that with the capacity building, they'll start using new machines, imported machines or machines that have been manufactured from here. And then SMEs also have a problem with market and, of course, credit facilities because of the way they operate. Not because there are no markets or because there's no credit. It's because they have not built the capacity to access credit markets. It's important to note that in the 2012 budget, the government has started addressing the challenges of SMEs. For example, they have set aside 1 billion shillings, in the 2012 budget, so that SMEs can have a model, an industrial enterprise model, like the export processing zones, where they can operate their businesses. And it is hoped that this can create 10 million jobs by 2030. And then we all know about the micro and small enterprise bill, which is in Parliament. We are hoping that once it is passed into law, most of the issues facing SMEs will be addressed once the government starts implementing the law.
Thank you very much.